Beasts on wheels, massive payloads, mountain trials. Prepare for an epic shoot that defies gravity, where logging trucks roar up impossible slopes with sheer horsepower and unyielding endurance. This is not just transport. It's a battle of steel, will, and raw torque. You hear it scream, metal, fuel, fury. Held back by a monstrous load and the hump ahead, it pushes harder. Horsepower stretched to its limit, tires hunting for grip like claws in the dirt. A muddy trail, a leap that defies reason. The ZIL 131 hangs in the air, every bolt screaming. Will gravity win, or will raw willpower carry it through? The Tiger Cat X822D is pure muscle. It grabs, it drops, it cuts, clean and precise. One motion, one machine, total domination. These logs aren't just long, they're legends of the forest. And without these extended rigs, they'd never leave the wild. This is what it takes to move giants. At the core of the Volvo FH16650 lies a monster, the D16 engine. 650 horsepower, 2,200 pound-feet of torque. It powers not just movement, but precision, speed, and the brute control to handle tons with grace. of the North Pacific are ruthless. Now imagine steering with 30,000 logs aboard, waves towering 30 to 40 feet, and the wind screaming like a banshee. Just keeping the load steady. That is a battle in itself. The Timberjack 810B doesn't care about snow, debris, or rough trails. It just plows through, grabs the logs, and drags them out. This is not finesse. It's raw horsepower doing what it does best. Man, the strength and endurance it takes to swing that beast of a saw. Cutting through a thick log like that demands serious muscle. My arms would be on fire in minutes. This is raw, physical challenge, no room for weakness. I've never seen anything like it. The stress on that truck, especially the tires and the engine, must be insane. It looks like it's fighting gravity itself. Makes you wonder, how often do these beasts need major repairs? Good Lord, the power of the HSM 904ZL. It doesn't just move timber, it feels like it wants to bring the whole forest home. This machine doesn't work in the woods, it conquers them. I can't believe the size of this thing. My dad used to do this kind of work, but back then, their chippers didn't have Cat engines pumping out 800 horsepower. This machine rips through massive logs like they're nothing. It's a whole new level of power. stumbles, rear tires spinning, throwing ice like shrapnel. It's stuck, for now. But is that the end, or just the start of the real fight?
Нахуй этот вездеход вместе со мной нахуй. Нет. Тоже пропускали самосвалов. Давай, 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 давай. Давай взад. Их нельзя подвернуть вверх. Подожди! Давай, давай, сука, маленько остается. Давай, давай, молодец. Ебать тебя в рот. О, выдернули. Молодцы.
Roll back, slow, smooth, steady. No drama, no panic, but don't let that fool you. Backing a 30-ton load off a rail car takes guts, finesse, and pure instinct. All respect to the operator. This isn't just machinery, it's mastery. The heat, the pace, the sheer control. Massinaire SF9 rip through heavy-duty tasks with brutal precision. This is what modern forestry looks like. Sensors. Forget screens. The Belarus MS-892 does it the old way. Steel, sweat, and stubborn will. Dragging logs through the slush like it was built for this mess. That's workhorse heritage. You've just witnessed the raw power of green technology in action. But the challenges never stop, and neither do we. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, and follow us so we can keep bringing you the most powerful stories from the logging frontier.